Question 5. The height, x centimeters, and the width, y centimeters of TVs are in the ratio 9 to 16. Part A. Use this information to draw a graph to show the relationship between the height and the width of TVs. Use values of x from 20 to 80. I'm just going to scroll down so we can see the bottom of the axis. So we can see here the x-axis is height of TV and the y-axis is width. Now we were given that the ratio of height to width is 9 to 16. So if a TV is 9 centimeters high, it is 16 centimeters long. Now I could plot that, but the x-axis, the height, doesn't go below 20, so I can't plot the 9. So what I need to do is find equivalent ratios to 9 to 16 that I can plot. So if I multiply the 9 and the 16 both by 2, I have 18 to 32. That is equivalent to 9 to 16. It is the same ratio, just using bigger numbers. Again, I can't plot 18 because the TV height starts from 20. So if I multiply 9 to 16 by 3, I'll get 27 to 48. Now this one I can plot, and you can see I've already plotted it there. If I multiply 9 to 16 by 4, I get 36 to 64. And again, you can see I've plotted it here. And really, I only need 2 points to draw a straight line. But if I get a third point in, and I've multiplied 9 to 16 by 5, so I get 45 to 80, which is there. Because the 3 points in a straight line, I'm very confident that I haven't made an error. If I only have 2 points, I can never be certain I haven't made an error, because any 2 points will form a straight line. Make sure you take your line all the way across the graph. I didn't just join up the first cross and the last one, I go right the way across the graph. A TV has a width of 90 centimeters. Use your graph to work out the height of this TV. So come back to the graph. A width of 90 centimeters. You can see here that 90 will be halfway between 80 and 100. Draw along to your line that you drew in part A. Come down, and you can see the height of the TV is 50 centimeters. Just be careful with scales sometimes. Notice here it's 1 square for every number from 40 to 50. But from here it's 2 squares for every number on the y-axis. Just look out for that. And so the answer is 50 centimeters. Make sure you draw on your graph to show the examiner you know what you're doing.